For years, you've relied on TransUnion to give you the information you need when making vehicle trading decisions. But have you ever wished you could have all that insight to hand, on the ground, on the fly, whenever you get a lead? Ever wished you could carry TransUnion's 18 million vehicle records with you to the inspection? Introducing TransUnion 1Check, the revolutionized dealer's guide app that puts all the power of TransUnion in the palm of your hand. Simply scan a vehicle license disc or driver's license and you'll have instant sight of all the information you need to help you make the right decision about a vehicle, a seller or a buyer. Let's take this baby for a spin. To use the test drive feature, simply input the customer's ID number manually or scan their driver's license. TransUnion's sophisticated fraud prevention model will verify the customer's ID, mitigating the risk of fraud. To find out about a vehicle's past accidents, scan the license disc or input the vehicle's key identifiers. 1Check can also provide a database informed indication of a potential buyer's creditworthiness and ability to repay a loan. The app can also give you a full verification report, including confirmation of the vehicle's key identifiers, SAP's interest, manufacturer's information, and more. 1Check also now offers you in-depth valuations for specific vehicles, factoring in mileage, condition, and factory-fitted extras. Sound simple? It is. But this app is not just a pretty interface. The most impressive feature is the complexity you can't see, the data that makes it all possible. The sheer scope of inputs we command allows us to offer our customers the most comprehensive auto database available, making us the standard in vehicle risk intelligence. Thanks to our team of skilled analysts, we can turn all this data into invaluable insight. Download the 1Check app now and get current, accurate vehicle information when you need it. Only from TransUnion. TransUnion Auto Information Solutions. The future beckons. Drive there with us.